Let's make the Jungle Beast. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make the Jungle Beast from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. The Jungle Beast is Kraken Rum's version of the Jungle Bird, which is a famous tiki cocktail. I do have a recipe for the Copper Wing version of the Jungle Bird here on the channel. Link will be down below. It'll also be at the end of the video if you want to check it out. A note on the rum. If you're going to make the Jungle Beast from Kraken Rum, you kind of have to use their Kraken Black Spice Rum. You can make this drink with other rums. Feel free to try it if you'd like, but then it's not the Jungle Beast. A note on the recipe. Kraken Rum's recipes drive me crazy because they always use parts instead of real measurements. Except for this drink. This drink uses actual honest-to-God units. Units that make no sense based on the glass that they give me. The official glass for this drink is a tiki glass, which is about 16 ounces. The total volume of the liquid I'm putting in this glass is 4 3/4 ounces. That's going to be right there. Of course, they do say fill the glass with crushed ice, but then you're drinking a lot of water and very little alcohol, so why bother? So instead of using a tiki glass like they specify, I'm going to be using a highball. To make this drink, I'm going to start by crushing some ice. I'll be right back with you. Ice crushed, I guess I better hide the weapon. I'm going to fill the glass halfway with the crushed ice. That's about halfway. Now I'm going to start adding my ingredients. First, the Kraken Black Spice Rum. New bottle. Gnome, in case you're worried about it. 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters. Next, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. 3/4 ounce of Italian bitter liqueur. And I'm using Campari. Use the Italian bitter liqueur of your choice. 3/4 ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. And finally, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and this is a 1-to-1 simple syrup. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters. Note that I put all that right in the glass. That's what the recipe specifies. I personally think it should have been shaken, but that's me. Moving on, I'm going to top this off with crushed ice and garnish. Garnish is pineapple leaves and a chunk of pineapple. Unfortunately, I used all my pineapple to make juice. I didn't save any chunks, so you're not going to get any chunks today. If you really want to see what chunks in a tiki glass look like for this drink, go to their website. Can I get that in there? Oh. And finally, a straw. And there you have it, the Jungle Beast from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. What is your favorite Italian bitter liqueur? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that I always support the channel if you're so inclined. I have social media links. They're in the description down below. Feel free to click on those, check them out, sub, follow, do whatever you want to do on those. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. All you have to do is contact me through those social media links and you can have a t-shirt. And finally, if you made it this far, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any more Kraken Rums, even if their units make no sense. Until next time, cheers.